active impact investment manager and member of the Schroders Group. Our mission is to create lasting positive impact for people in emerging economies and the environment, while also delivering attractive returns to our investors. Founded in 2001 by an initiative of the UN as the first commercial manager of microfinance debt investments, BlueOrchard has developed a range of impact investment strategies across asset classes and themes and has invested over $11 billion across more than 100 emerging and frontier countries to date. One area we have been focusing on is climate investing. Our focus has been on addressing underserved environmental areas such as climate adaptation and more recently the water economy and biodiversity. We firmly believe that addressing climate change requires a comprehensive approach that goes beyond reducing or avoiding GHG emissions. It also involves building resilience against climate disasters for the most vulnerable communities and restoring and preserving water and marine resources, as well as biodiversity ecosystems, which have been severely degraded over the past decades. Today, we are delighted to share insights on our activities in the area of water strategy. Each year, millions of tons of plastic enter the oceans, resulting in devastating consequences on marine wildlife. Additionally, unsustainable fishing is a major contributor to the decline in ocean wildlife populations. To address these challenges, BlueOrchard, supported by the Luxembourg Ministry of Finance, has partnered with specialist fund managers and advisors. One of these advisors is Ocean 14 Capital Limited, which advises on investment in the ocean economy and marine conservation. Through our collaboration, we aim at achieving significant positive impact on the oceans while also incorporating capacity building efforts, leveraging BlueOrchard's extensive experience in impact investing. But no one better than Chris Barnes, co-founder at Ocean 14 Capital Limited, the advisor to the Ocean 14 Capital Blue Economy strategy, will be able to share more about this.
I will be sharing insights into our approach to advising the Ocean 14 Capital's Blue Economy strategy, which has the mission of funding sustainable solutions to improve ocean health. The investment thesis of this strategy is based on two key verticals: food security and protecting and restoring marine ecosystems. In food security, we are looking at investment opportunities throughout Blue Foods, the aquaculture ecosystems, so innovations in driving sustainability in aquaculture, such as data, artificial intelligence, and land-based RAS technologies. We look at fisheries, transparency, data, digital marketplaces to drive sustainability. Additionally, we're addressing the huge challenge of feeding farmed fish wild fish by exploring alternative protein sources in that space, whether that be insect protein or other forms of generating protein from, say, gas. On the other side, for marine ecosystems, we invest in plastics. This involves the collecting, sorting, and recycling of plastics, and of course, the circular economy. In seaweed, we are examining the areas of growing, harvesting, and the refining of seaweed into alginates for the supply chain, such as pharma, beauty, food, and of course, animal protein. Our focus is on advising the strategy on investments in the existing industries, so a large $3 trillion industry in the blue economy, and an opportunity for the strategy to invest in growth stage investments that will help with the transition of this industry to become a more sustainable and regenerative industry. We think that this is the biggest opportunity to drive the necessary change. There is this unique convergence of drivers within the blue economy where the businesses that are the most sustainable are the most profitable and valuable. In regard to impact, we have a very robust impact approach that looks at how every investment that the strategy makes has a positive impact on the ocean and is aligned with the Sustainable Development Goal 14. How do we reduce marine pollution? How do we reduce the catches of wild fish? How do we protect marine ecosystems? And how do we reduce greenhouse gas emissions into the ocean space? There are two particular portfolio companies that the advisor considers to be having a significant impact as reflected in the annual impact reporting. The first is SciAqua, which is revolutionizing shrimp genetics and alternative feeds to save wild fish stocks in Asia and reduce environmental externalities throughout the farming process. The second is Novaplast, which recycles plastics material waste into innovative sustainable products in Ireland. BlueOrchard carried out some of the most detailed impact due diligence on Ocean 14 Capital's Blue Economy strategy. We were very appreciative of the level of thoroughness involved, but also the implications it had on how we perceived and could build on the strategy impact approach. We're really grateful for the insight, feedback, questions and templates provided by the team, which can only elevate the standard of our impact and ESG assessment and reporting. We very much look forward to our long-term partnership and collaboration.